Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This one's going to be on changing your oil. One thing you definitely want, safety glasses. Got your funnels and all here. Gloves, oil pan, drain pan. First thing you want to do, of course, open the hood. And a little trick, which I'm sure most of you probably know by now anyway. Is take the oil cap, or in this case, this piece off. It'll help the oil flow better and faster. So let's go ahead and hop right into it here as we slide around the truck. Alright, that's that. And what I'm going to do, excuse my sliding around, is get sorry for the mess in here, guys. I'm going to get some paper towels here. Shop towels, love these things. This is for the drain bolt. It'll clean your glove off and all. Now what I'll do is I'll start getting my oil, my fresh oil. I'm gonna see, yeah. See guys, that oil filter should spin off by hand. You want it super hand tight, but you don't want it super duper tight or super duper loose, obviously. So let me go get oil. For this, guys, I'm using Amsoil XL. Takes 8 quarts. I'm gonna grab what I got left of the Signature series. And we're gonna go grab the oil filter. So I need a new one of those too. I'll have to get another oil filter. Down to my last one here. This is what the oil filter looks like. Yeah, let's get underneath. See how well it's drained. What I'll do, yep, you hear it just barely dripping. That's what you want. It's a little cramped in here for me, but this is a leveled Silverado. Put leveling kit on, had it put on. This is also a magnetic drain plug replacement. And after you put all this on, guys, remember, when you fill it, go ahead and put a quart or so in. I believe it's 50 millimeter on this as well. Put a quart or so in and make sure you got no leaks, because you don't want leaks. Like hot engine oil. Don't be afraid to get a little dirty. And just leave that sit there. Clean everything off. Also, I don't know how many people mention it, check your seal on your oil filter. Make sure it came off, because sometimes they have known to, it did it on my diesel years ago, my Duramax. Sometimes it would get stuck up here on the actual piece here, and you don't want that, because then it creates a, doesn't create a better seal. What it does, it keeps it from sealing properly, and it causes issues. So now we will get our new filter, and with a new filter, we're going to put this in. We're going to fill it to the top. That way you don't have to worry about a dry start. Get it as full as you possibly can. And then we're going to go put this on. Screw this oil filter on. As I try not to hit my camera. Try and move stuff out of the way. Ow. Then we screw the oil filter, new one, on. Clean up whatever mess we can till later. And again, guys, just hand tighten it till it stops and gets nice and snug. You don't want to over tighten it, because you can screw up the threads. See a lot of people over tighten. What you want to do is you want to move this out of the way, because we will go ahead, put some more in, come back down and check it. X-ray cap on here. You screw that on. And you put that on. That way. Don't worry about that. We'll put the rest of that in. That's done. And we'll put a cord in. Then I'll check it. I'm not gonna do the whole video. I'll do another video on resetting the oil life. Pretty easy.
What's that?
I'm making a video. Unless you want to be in it. Didn't think so. And guys, we'll go under here. As you can see, no drips, no drops. Everything's good. So remember, like, subscribe, comment, share. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Many more to come. And I don't need to show you